All right, got another one for you here. I don't know, this might be a wasp nest. Yeah. So, don't do as I do. My plan is to hit it with a piece of wood and go get some wasp berry. Oh, are they wasps? Let me see. Comment below of these wasp hives. And wish me luck. So hit it with a stick. That stick. And it's up there. Look pretty angry. Let's see here. So I hit the highs with the stick. Those there. Try to hit it with a tennis ball and try the football. And this is what it looks like now. This is the other half of it. They are angry. They're very angry with me. Very angry. These guys are angry. So that's the part that I poked the stick with. So to the right of that gutter. So that's where I poked it. I'll try to get the other side. We'll be right this way. All right. Wish me luck. Don't do as I do.
What are you worried about? Who else is connected? In this building. Well, how are you going to find out? All the cameras in the Grand Wazoo room went down. The cable orb in the central hub is...
It took about maybe 4 or 5 whacks with this long stick. This is a 16-footer. And basically kind of smashed the hives apart. See there, it's been decimated. There's remnants there. And along the way, I kind of crushed them with the pole. So here's a few that are dead. So comment below, these are wasps. And along with that, I kind of sprayed the house with the spray here. So I bought this from Lowe's. It's a 2-pack for $7. Seems to did the job. So zoom in up there. Which the house is decimated. Let's see. There's not much left there. All right, that's how I got rid of the wasp nest to my house. You haven't already subscribed to the channel. I'll see you next video.